know, kids, there's a lot of history here. These 50s diners were very popular in the 80s.
Boy, am I going to enjoy this meal. Not like last night when I didn't have time to poop before the guests arrived. Do I have time? You know what? I'm going to go for it. Son of a bitch! Looks like I'm going to have to pile dinner on top of that. Hey, guys, how are ya? Look at this place. They don't serve any of this 1950s food anymore. Hamburgers, French fries, Cokes. You kids don't know what I'm talking about.
I love how all the servers look like celebrities from the 50s. Marilyn Monroe. Cleveland finally made it.
Oh, hey there, Griffins. Oh, that takes me back.
Oh, well, everybody's heard about the bird.
Oh, my God, this is Surfin' Bird by the Trashmen. This is my favorite song of all time. Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. But bird's a word. Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. Well, a bird is a word. Oh, well, a bird, bird. But bird's a word. Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. But bird's a word. Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. Well, a bird is a word. Chris, don't you know about the bird? Make everybody knows that the bird is the word. Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. The bird is the word. Hey, guy behind the counter. The bird is the word. Hey, frightened little child. The bird is the word. Lady on the toilet. The bird is the word. Hey, don't you know about the bird?
Sure, everybody knows that the bird is the word.
Oh, well, a bird, bird. But bird's a word. Oh, well, a bird. I'll let you have sex with my daughter.
I don't know. Let's see what your daughter looks like.
She's, Again! I love repetition!
Peter, will you give that song a rest? You've been playing it ever since we got home.
No way, Lois. It's my new favorite thing in the world.
Ah!
Lois, I'm going to ask you this only once. Do you, or do you not, know about the bird?
Oh, God.
Because everybody's heard that the bird is the word. Bird, 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 bird. The bird's a word. Bird, 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 bird. The bird is a word. Bird, 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 bird.
Ow!
Oh, God, sorry.
Look, just go to sleep, all right?
The bird's a word. The bird is a word. The bird is a word. The bird is a word.
Peter, I have a mammogram in the morning.
Again! I love repetition! Brian, can I see that paper for a sec? Huh. That's odd. I thought that would be big news.
You thought what would be big news?
Well, there seems to be an absence of a certain ornithological piece. A headline regarding mass awareness of a certain avian variety.
What are you talking about?
Oh, have you not heard? It was my understanding that everyone had heard.
Heard what?
Brian, don't! Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. But bird's a word, oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. But bird's a word, oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. But bird's a word, oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. But bird's a word, Brian, don't you know about the bird? Well, Peter's gonna tell you about the bird. Oh, well, a bird, bird. But bird's a word, oh, well, a bird. Surfing! Again! I love repetition!
Oh my God, Peter, are you all right?
Papa uma mau mau, 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 uma mau mau, Papa uma mau mau, Papa uma mau mau, Papa uma mau mau, Papa uma. Hey, what's the big idea?
This song's from the 1960s. It shouldn't be in this jukebox.
Wait, can I have that record? I love that song. Thank you. Hi, I'm Peter Griffin. You know, there's an issue facing many Americans today that I know concerns a great number of us. According to Gallup polls, 1 in 12 Americans is unaware that the bird is the word. I, for one, dream of an America where everybody knows that the bird is the word. Bird, 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 bird. The bird's a word. Well, a bird, bird, bird. Well, a bird is a word.
My God, is it possible? Have the boys in the lab confirm this.
Sir, our math shows that the bird is equal to or greater than the word.
Check it again!
Ryan?
Yeah?
I don't feel so good.
Again! I love repetition! Bird. Who did it? Again! I love repetition!
What is it, Dad?
What, you haven't heard?
Crap!
Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. But bird's a word, oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. But bird's a word, oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. But bird's a word, oh... Who did it?
Oh, well, everybody's heard about the bird. Bird, bird, bird. The bird's a word, oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. Bird is a word,